Right lads, Mech here. Got a quick review for you today. I got sent a few samples through the post from a company called UKLockpickers.co.uk. Thank you very much. The UK distributor for a company called Sparrows, which is a Canadian-based company. They design and create all their own pick sets, like picks and the tension wrenches and whatnot. So have a Google of them. Go and have a look. Right, I'm going to start this review with a look at the actual pick that I was sent. Now, on first looks at it, it is very similar to the original Southord. I'll just give you a quick comparison. This bottom one being the Sparrows, this top one being the Southord. Now, the handles on them, they're very, very similar. I mean, if I lay them over the top, you know what, they could shadow each other, you know. So, they're very, very similar. I think that's quite a good thing. There's a lot of universal sized grips and whatnot that can be used and put onto these out there on the internet. So if you ever get sick of the thickness of the handle, you can always add something to it. I mean, for me, it's really important to have a comfy grip on the pick. I do a lot of single pin picking, and comfort's it's up there, you know, because once it starts digging in and giving you blisters and things, then it can put you off, you know. So, coming back to the design, I've noticed as well that the thickness of the neck, or the collar close to the actual handle itself, is a lot wider than the Southord. Now what they've done is, they've kept the flat line across the bottom and brought it up on the top. Now it's the complete opposite to what Storm have done. Now, Storm have got their thicker part at the bottom for support, whereas Sparrows, like I said, they've got theirs at the top. And I've been trying out this Storm pick, a couple of theirs for a while now, and they're very, very strong, so no doubt that this is going to be they're onto a winner here with the wider neck at the bottom. I mean, a lot of you that do a lot of single pin picking with the Southords, they're notorious for snapping right here. And I mean, hopefully this will eradicate any problems that they're going to have with that. The style of the pick at the end, if I bring in a Peterson's hook, I'll get it lined up for you. It pretty much mirrors the style. It's still flat at the end, so you always sit on your pins nice with it. Really, really good idea that. So yeah, it's all in all, it's nice. It's very, very strong. It's not too heavy. I'll get some dimensions for you. Okay. Now the Sparrows thickness, give or take, is 0.64 of 0.65 millimeters thick. Now if we take a Southord, is 0.44, 0.45. So there is a slight difference there. I mean, the Sparrows is slightly thicker. I'm sure that's where some of the strength's going to come from. But like I said, I have used them, and they do fit in the Euro locks absolutely fine. So there's no problem with the thickness of the actual pick itself. Coming to the tension wrenches, they sent me 3 different sizes, 3 different widths on the top. Now I really do like these. They're quite similar to the Southord sets, but they've got a lot less flex to them, for one, and I really like that. I mean, usually most of the time I'm using the Peterson pry bar, and I use this because it doesn't have too much flex in it. Now these, like I said, they haven't got that much flex in it, so that's really, really good for me. The thickness on these is 0.80 roundabouts millimeters. Take a Southord one. It's about the same. So identical on the thickness, so it's going to fit in your locks nice. Just give you a close up of that so you can have a look. So we can get a bit more focused. There you go. Now I know they have a bigger variety, but this is all I've been sent to show you. But I mean, being my opinions, that's all they are. I really do like these picks, nice and strong for single pin picking. But the handles, that's for me. They're gonna have to have some kind of like a foam over the top of it or something like that. So I'm just gonna throw that out there for you. But apart from that, absolutely brilliant set. So cheers for sending that in. I'll carry on using it for a bit. Thank you very much.